Hello, you are welcome to our kitchen. Today I would like you to join me as I make this delicious mackerel or Titus fish stew. Did you know that mackerel fish is not only delicious but it's also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are very great for our heart. Many people struggle with making simple and delicious fish stew that is not watery, but in this video today I'm going to show us the simplest way, the easiest way to make a delicious fish stew that is not watery but tastes delicious and very versatile. So let's do it. Let's quickly run over the ingredients that we need, though I have them under the description. I have Maggi cubes, I have garlic, I have ginger, have that already prepped by mixed pepper mix, which contains onion, tomatoes, bell pepper, and habanero pepper. I have my all-purpose seasoning, red oil, and all salt, and of course my fish. Now we're going to start cooking. I have some oil in a pot already, which has just heated up a little, and I'm adding the diced onion. I'm going to add half and reserve the rest of the half for later. So after adding the onion to the oil, I'm just added some salt, and I'm going to allow this onion to saute for some few minutes without overcooking it or letting it burn. So just to release some flavor into the oil. So let's keep watching. Now I'm adding my pepper blend, and this is the first secret of making a very nice non-watery stew. When you're blending your pepper, do not add water. Use your tomato as the water base. That is going to give your stew a very nice taste. So after adding the pepper mix into the oil, we're just going to stir it and allow it to cook up together for like few minutes. And when you're blending your pepper, you don't actually need to add water. Yes, because tomato has a lot of water in it. Onion and bell pepper, they are very high in water content. Yes, we are going to be checking on the stew. We can see that the stew has already cooked down. The oil and the pepper mix has mixed together. This step is very important when we are making fish stew, because fish has its own water content. So whatever water content that we have in the stew has to cook down first to reduce the water content in it, so that by the time we add fish, the water will not be too much. So this is a very crucial step. So let's keep watching. Now it's time to add the fish. We can see that the stew has already cooked down, it's thickened. And my fish, I always love to wash my fish and salt it a little and allow it to drain very well before I cook it. This helps to remove fishy odor and it reduces the liquid that goes in the stew. Now I'm adding the onion that was set aside earlier. Now I'm going to be adding some Maggi cube seasoning to spice up the taste. So I'm adding everything immediately after the fish. The two special spices that are going to take this soup to another level, that are going to make the taste to be unique, are ginger and garlic. So I'm going to be grating just a little piece of ginger and 1 clove of garlic into this stew. And when you are adding these two spices, do not blend them with the pepper. Just make sure you grate them directly as I'm doing. When you do so, you would testify. You would really see the difference and the taste they are going to give to your stew. So now I'm also going to be adding my all-purpose seasoning, as this is going to boost the taste of this stew as well. So after we have added all the seasonings and all the spices, we are going to make sure that the stew covers the fish very well so that it will steam and soak inside all the fish to give it a very nice taste. The stew has been cooking for a few minutes and we can see that the oil is already coming up. That shows that the stew is drying up and the fish is steaming at the same time. Let's keep watching. So I'm just going to be adding a little more of the all-purpose seasoning again, and we're going to stir gently and then cover it and let it continue to cook down. So now we are checking on the stew again. We can see that the oil keeps coming out. So that is the evidence that the stew is cooking. It's really drying up. The moisture is drying up. And we're going to be left with a nice juicy stew with a juicy fish. I'm just going to quickly cut this okra. Have just some water. This okra is very fresh and is very, very succulent. So this is the kind of okra that I love. So after cutting my okra, I usually love to soak it in the water and leave it for some few minutes to activate the sliminess very well. And I'm going to add some oil. That's good. Add some salt. Cube seasoning. So now I'm going to take it to the stove now. Just cook it for like 5 minutes. Take it off. So now I'm going to get some, put it here. Now I'm going to add my okra. This okra is so nice, it's so beautiful. It's slimy, greenish, and so good. Some people do use potash, but I don't usually use potash. Once you have a fresh okra, it will slime, and before you start cutting it, make sure you pour it inside water, and after that you stir it very well, just the way I did it. It's to activate the sliminess. Instead of using a potash, you can also use baking soda. Food is ready. Our stew is very ready. Our okra has been cooked. Eba is ready as well. I also made some white rice with beans. This stew is very versatile. You can use it to enjoy anything that we like. Yes. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you can get more of these recipes from me. This is a very simple and delicious stew that we can quickly make at any point in time, and our family will love it. So So whatever you think about this recipe or this video, kindly leave it under the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe, like, share, so that I'll be able to bring more of these recipes to you. And I have many other recipes, simple, delicious recipes on my channel for your enjoyment, which you can watch at any time. Yes, thank you for watching, and see you in my next. Bye for now. Bye-bye.